Welcome to Supermicro's 2025 Open Storage Summit.
I developed a lot of prototypes, and he said, well, you know, some of his companies can create a prototype in a couple of days using AI to help facilitate it, using this vibe coding technique. So that then gives you a lot better idea what works and what fits those user needs, and then you don't spend too long on things that don't work.
I think the biggest thing that we hear back from our customers in terms of what they like is they're essentially looking for a way to run inferencing in a way that they have a lot of control over. And they want to do that in a centralized way across the enterprise. But the control they're looking for is control over their data, control over their costs, control over, you know, data or digital sovereignty is a big deal these days, right?
AI-ready data infrastructure gives you AI-ready data. So that's basically data that's centralized. So think of your engineers charged with putting together these generative AI solutions. They shouldn't have to go on a corporate data hunt all throughout the organization to find the data they need to make good models. It should all be centralized. And if you are going to centralize your data, it should be on a solution that's going to grow with you.
The best advice I could give to avoid pitfalls in developing and deploying generative AI and agentic AI, probably take the time to experiment. Again, going back to the experimenting word that Keith used, because I think in experimenting, you'll uncover trade-offs in performance and power and cost, and I think not a lot today is predictable.
Gen AI is ultimately it's an enterprise application for an enterprise. So, you know, most companies will have, here's my list of requirements for taking something into production in my enterprise. Just use your checklist. It's okay. It doesn't have to have a separate kind of approach to it. I think every enterprise will usually put things into production in a phased manner.
Generative AI is growing, and it's growing fast. And this data that we collected from the analysts over the next several years, going from $40 billion to over $150 billion of spending for generative AI, looks really huge.
But the thing is, when you do your AI data infrastructure, you should think big.